everyone. If you purchase something on Temu and need to return it, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to return items on Temu in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, head over to Temu's website and log into your account. Once you've logged in, click on your account icon on the top right corner and from the drop down, select orders. Here you'll see all your past orders. Find the one that you want to return and click on it. Next, look for the return item option next to the order. Click on it and start the return process. Be asked to select a reason for your return, whether it's the wrong size, a damaged item or something else. Pick on the best that describes your situation. Once you've selected your reason, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your return. Temu will send you instructions on how to ship the item back. And that's it, you successfully learned how to return items on Temu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and leave any questions that you have in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.